everyone in there. So many toys. Alright, so I'm gonna make the characters from my new book. It's called Can I Give You a Squish? And the characters that I'm gonna make are Kai, the mer-boy, this dolphin, the crab, the octopus, and the pufferfish. For this activity, you'll need some construction paper or whatever you want to draw on. You'll need some scissors. You'll need some packaging tape or other clear tape. You'll need something to draw with, and I have this kind of fancy box, but these are just crayons. And then you'll need some nice clear plastic trash. Alright, so first what we do is we draw our characters. Alright, and then we have to cut everyone out. Alright, and then if you want to be really fancy, what you do is on the back of them, you can draw the back. So you can be like, alright, yeah. I'll put a piece of paper in here so I don't color on the table, but yeah, alright, so I can imagine what the back of his head looks like, and I can think, alright, here it is. Ooh, there are his hands, and arms, and here's where the back of his tail is. You can see my paper underneath helped a lot with making it clean. Alright, and everybody else can get the same thing. There's a front and a back. Okay. Alright, so now it's time to get out our plastic. And this one, it has printing on this side, but this side is all clear. So that's the part I'm going to use. Alright, let's see how many I can fit on here. I think I can definitely fit Kai. And I think I'll just put maybe this one and this one. Alright, then get out my tape. I have to make sure that the pieces of tape overlap just a little bit. I just want to make sure that all that paper is covered. Alright, and then we can cut them out, and we don't have to be careful because the clear in the water will just make it look like it's floating. So here's the flat side of my bubble wrap. And I'll take my last two little characters, put them on here. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty fun.